it's Andrea. So today I am going to film a video that I do every year. I'm very excited to do it because you know that I call her my best friend that I've never met, Alex, who has her own channel on YouTube, which I will link to down below. We have been friends for a long time. We met through YouTube. We've supported each other through YouTube throughout the years. And I don't remember when exactly. I want to say it was like 3 years ago now. We started sending each other Christmas gifts. And every year I look forward to this now because it's just become a tradition. We send each other a big box of makeup and it's just really fun to unbox it and see what we've gotten each other. So that's what today's video is. This is the box she sent to me. Oh, I'm so excited to open it. I'm really excited to have her open mine. I've been collecting things all through the year, so there's been a lot that I shoved into that box. Anyways, it's been a while since I have filmed a video. I don't know if I need to explain it, but you know, it's just, the only thing I'll say is it's kind of like COVID depression has overtaken me a little bit. I feel like that's the same for a lot of people, but this is the kind of thing that brings me a lot of joy. So I just decided to film this video, and I do have a couple more hauls I'm going to film, one right after this. So you'll at least definitely get a couple of videos from me soon. If there's any noise, it's just family. There's family things happening around the house. But let's get into this. So she told me that she has done the same thing she did last year, which is like 12 gifts of Christmas. So I think I'm gonna sort them and then like figure out what the number is. So there's a little note, but yeah, look. Oh, and she told me this was coming, which I'm very excited about. We don't get Almond Joy. If we do get Almond Joy in Canada, I've never found it. And I love Almond Joy, so thank you so much. This is always like the favorite thing I look forward to from these boxes. There was actually 2 Almond Joys in there, so I'm really excited about that. And a whole bunch of candy canes. Thank you, Alex. Okay, so she wrote on here, hope you enjoy the items I picked out. I wanted this year to be more curated and intimate. I numbered all your gifts 12, and number 1 being the big special gift. Enjoy them all, and thank you for being such a wonderful person. Love, Alex. Thank you, Alex. I'm confused though because this one says last one and it says 12, but the letter said 1. That's 1. So, but I'm gonna save this for last then because it literally says on it last one. So we'll start with 11 and we'll go to 1 and then we'll go back to 12. How about that? So here's number 11. I love that they're all numbered. This one's gonna be hard to get into. By the way, guys, I just took off my nails 2 days ago. I've been using glue on nails since March from the beginning of all this. And I literally just took them off and they are so soft and like paper thin right now. So that's why I don't have any nails on. I'm gonna give them like a month to recover. Okay, I'm gonna guess this is some sort of lip product because it just seems like the shape for it. Can I do it? Yes. Okay, so this is the Milani Amore Shine Liquid Lip Color. This is in the shade Tenderness, which is one I don't have. Alex was the first person to ever give me any of these Milani like shine type glosses, and I love them. Love them. So thank you for that. I don't wear a lot of lip products, but I go through those. Like I have used them up. Okay, so this is number 10. It's a Bare Minerals powder. Bare Minerals Mineral Veil Original. Oh, SPF 25. I don't know what that loud noise just was. Somebody making a loud noise. Okay, I've never used this. I'm gonna have to ask Alex how to use it because I think, isn't this like a powder foundation? I've never used this type of thing, but I'm excited that it has SPF in it. So I'll need to get her instructions on that. Thank you. Thank you. There is a little book. Okay, I'll save that just in case. Okay, so that was 11, 10, 9. Okay, it says right on it Silhouette. Oh, ho, 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 ho. This is bright. Okay, I know she loves this brand, Silhouette Boutiques. This is a pressed eyeshadow. I think I still have some space in some or one of my Z palettes. What's this called? It's called LHIA, so I guess Leah? Oh, I should get like a wipe so I can swatch some things. Wow, that's really bright. Lovely. I'm gonna have to figure out how to use that in a look. beautiful. That's a matte too. Well, you can see from the swatch. My husband has commandeered my computer because I haven't been using it. Like I really, you know, I haven't been doing a lot of YouTube. So he lost or I don't know if he lost it, but it's not here, the cord that connects my camera to the computer. So I have no monitor, so all I have is a little tiny screen. So I'm just hoping things are in focus and it looks okay. I could have a big booger on my nose and I wouldn't be able to tell because it's like the tiniest little. This one's number 7. I think this is another eyeshadow. Okay, Looksy. I've never tried anything from Looksy. Another indie brand. If you know Alex, you know she's like an indie eyeshadow junkie queen, basically. So anything that she picks, I'm gonna trust her on. This is really big. Is this an eyeshadow or a highlighter? It's just, all it says on it is Bombshell. It doesn't even say. It almost looks like it could be a highlighter. I think this is a highlighter. It's gotta be. Yeah, this is definitely a highlighter. Let me see. I know, like, I don't have the best lighting right now. You know, priorities. Priorities are slightly changing for me, but still want to film. That is definitely a highlighter. That's really pretty. Bombshell. You know, I like to think of myself as a bombshell. It's just how I view my inner self. Okay, somehow I skipped from 9 to 7. That was 7. This is 8. I skipped over one. Oh. Let's see. Oh, it's another silhouette. Ooh, okay, so pressed eyeshadow in Gazania. I don't know what that is. Is it a flower? Is it a person's name? This is really pretty. It's like a peachy orangey. Ooh. Beautiful. Definitely peach. Oh, lighting is so bad. So bad. Is it better if I turn the light down? Then you can see the swatches better. I think that might be the case. But that's beautiful. Thank you, Alex. Okay, I definitely need to redo my Z palette situation. Okay, number 6 was a little bit bigger. I really appreciate that this wrapping paper is not hard to rip. I'm gonna guess this is some kind of powder. Oh, Dermablend loose setting powder, professional finishing powder. I don't think I've tried anything from Dermablend. Correct me if I'm wrong, you guys, but I don't think so. This is fantastic because I'm gonna assume that this is like really good because she sent it to me and she knows good stuff. But also, see this? This is my Rimmel Stay Matte powder and it's like down to there. So this is almost gone. Not that I don't have other powders, but I need like a go-to all the time. So hopefully this is amazing. Thank you so much for that. Number 5. Oh, listen, I'm just like shaking things like a little kid. What is this? What is it? Oh my, I know what this is. Can you tell just from this? Because I can. Do you know what this is? Oh my god, I can't believe it. I'm so excited. Oh, I'm so glad I never bought these because I definitely wanted them when they came out. So this is the Lime Crime Venus XS, so extra small. These are quads. Oh, look at that. Look, this is actually orange, so it looks orange, but it's not, it's yellow. When these came out in the summer, like I really wanted this. Oh, so this one is called Sunkissed. Oh, I'm so excited. You know I love Lime Crime eyeshadow. This will go so good with this one. Actually, it'll so... Did you do this on purpose? These will all go so good together. That like you could add those in and make it like a wider palette. Okay, there's the swatches from that, from Sunkissed Lime Crime XS. Ooh, but look, like, add those into it. Ooh, so nice. Okay, I see what you mean by curated. Oh, I'm so excited. I love it. Okay, ooh, God. Imagine I traveled all the way across like 3,000 miles and then I dropped it on the floor. So far nothing is broken, knock on wood. We'll see, there's still a few more things to open. Generally, Generally, we have a few casualties sometimes, but we'll see. So this is definitely some kind of palette of something. Is it eyeshadow? Is it blush? This is number 4. Oh, nice. Okay, so Alex is the only person. Alex gave me one of these eyeshadow palettes a few years ago, and the quality is really good. So here's another one. I think the one she gave me before was called Get Ready With Me, and it's very neutral. This is from the brand Collab, and this is called First Impressions. This is a brand that was started by YouTubers, I think. That's why they're called what they're called. Yeah, so get it? Get Ready With Me is the other one. This one's First Impressions. Like, very cute. Very cute. So these are all like cool tone purpley ones. You know, I should just... Why didn't I think to just zoom in the first place? That would have probably solved a lot of the lighting problems. Yeah, these are really, really smooth. Just like the other palette from this brand. Very smooth. 4 of them right there. Just like cool tone purpley shades. Beautiful. I love how smooth they are. It's First Impressions. Thank you. By the way, it's my first video back, so I needed some liquid courage. It's my first day off. It's actually December 27th that I'm filming this. The last week in my job has been just exhausting because literally I was getting up every day at 5:30 a.m. So today, deciding to film this, I decided this is the hair you're getting. This is, I actually did my makeup. I was not gonna do my hair. All right, so number 3, we're getting there. There's only 4 left. What is this? It looks gorgeous. What is this? Is it a palette? Oh, it's a Z palette. Colorboard magnetic palette, and it's called Watercolor. Beautiful. Can you see? Of course you can see, you have eyes. This is gorgeous. Oh, and it has a mirror. That'll like fit all those, and it's got like flamingos on it. This is so pretty. I love this. I'm gonna put them in there right now. So this one I can't put in because it's got the stuff stuck to the back, so I'm gonna have to take that off later because it doesn't want to stick with that stuff on there, so I have to take that off later. But I'll just show you. I mean, you know what things look like when they're in a Z palette. But like, isn't that gonna be so cute? And that matches actually. This is gorgeous. So what is this brand called again? Where did I put that paper? Oh, it's just on here. All it says is Colorboard Magnetic Palette. Oh, I see, by AOA Beauty. Watercolor small. I think that's, isn't AOA from Shop Massé? I think it is. Which, by the way, I've been wanting to order stuff from them again for a long time because I haven't in like 3 years. Okay, so number 2. Oh, this is so great. Okay, how did you know? So, I mean, I know how you know because I was talking about them, but Stila Iridescent Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow Set. Literally, you'll see in my next empties whenever I decide to film that. I think all except for 2 of my Stila Glitter and Glow eyeshadows are now completely dried out and I can't revive them. So this is perfect timing because I absolutely love these. None of these are ones that I have. So this one is called Dollish. So these are the mini ones. Oh, this is gorgeous. That's like a pinky peach. There you go. Oh my gosh, that's Dollish. Like D-O-L-L-I-S-H. I'm gonna wear that like this week. Embellish. I have been wearing makeup every day to work, but I've really only been doing eyeshadow because, you know, masks. This one is Embellish. That's just as beautiful. Yeah, so that's Embellish right there. So that last one is Stylish. Look how beautiful those are. Wow, thank you so much. So I guess we'll find out like which is the one she meant because this is number 1, but that one says last one, which says number 12, so. I don't have nails anymore to like grab onto stuff. Oh my gosh, it's purple. Oh, I know what this is. I think I know what this is. If it's what I think, I wanted it. Oh, it's not. Okay. I thought this was something else, but this is great. Physicians Formula Murmur Butter Glow Face Palette. Oh, something came broken. Something always breaks. This one's a little smash, but that'll be fine to repress. That's, by the way, Alex has a great repressing video on her channel if you don't know how to repress stuff. And it's been a long time since I've had to repress something, so I'll go watch her tutorial on how to do that. So this has three, okay, so it's not three highlighters. It's like a highlighter, a blush, and, oh my God, this highlighter. Now the highlighter is what's broken, but highlighters are easy to repress. This is stunning. That is very glowy. And then the blush is called Beachy Peach. Really cute, really pretty color. And then this is just their regular bronzer. So like it's just called bronzer. Their original butter bronzer. I know the lighting. Oh, great. There, you can see it better if I really zoom in on it. Look at that highlighter. Oh my God. I didn't really show you the inside because it's broken, but like look how cute. The packaging is really cute. It's also very compact and thin, which is nice because the normally Physicians Formula packaging is very thick, but this is really cute. Love that. Okay, I love that highlighter. All right, so this is the last one. Number 12. Oh, it's like a cardboard box. I don't know what this is. What is it? Oh, it's a palette. Oh my Lord. I did not expect that. Wow. Thank you, Alex. Wow. I have obviously looked at this. Oh, I think something's broken in here too. You know what? Something is broken, but it's not as bad as it could have been because it's just the yellow mat that's on the bottom there. So that's okay because it's only like a tiny bit of it too. It's just made a bit of a mess. Let me clean it up a little bit so I can show better. So you can kind of see it a little bit better. I don't want to fully like put it up because again, it's a little bit broken, but mostly okay. And that just got into a couple of the shades. I just watched the whole thing though, because this is so, wow, this is so exciting. What's the last Natasha Denona palette I ever bought? I think was the Lila palette. So that was quite a few years ago. And of course this is a beautiful color story. Wow, that's the first four right there. Like, beautiful. So probably those of you who have been interested in this palette have seen the swatches before, but still I wanted to fully swatch it because I've never seen it in person. This is so beautiful. Like you can tell just by the swatches. Sometimes swatches can be misleading, like they can look like it'll be really good and then it doesn't go on really well, but you can feel the difference as soon as you swatch something that's like really pigmented and really smooth. You can feel it, and that's what this is. I can tell immediately the difference in quality between some things versus this. Gorgeous colors. Thank you, Alex. Okay, so I dusted it into something to repress, but you can see that's all that happened to it. It's not as bad as it could have been. Look at that. Woo, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, that's everything from Alex. Oh my goodness, thank you, Alex. And if you've never seen her channel, I don't know what's stopping you. I know so many of you do subscribe to her. She puts out so much great content. Like, I don't know what you're doing watching me and not watching her, like, honestly. So I'll link to her channel. I'll link to the video of her opening the stuff I got for her. I really just can't wait to watch it and see her reaction because I know she's gonna be excited. And now I gotta go finish my beer and eat my almond joy. I almost said and drink my almond joy and eat my almond joy. All right, I will be back in another video soon. Okay, bye guys.